Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm participant A.
I'm participant B, Initial Management.
And Trinja, and I take part of participant C.
I'm Andriani Bahman, participant D. So, let's we start the discussion. The Nature Society of our university is organizing a Nature Week. As member of the society, we are going to discuss or decide the best activity for the week. Okay. We start with my part. Okay, I have a good idea. Could be for organizing a nature week. My idea is why we don't be organize a tree planting activity. As you know, this activity have a lot of advantage and beautiful displays. The reason why I choose this activity is first, it can improve our ecosystem. Planting trees to make the atmosphere cool and comfortable environment. Besides, it also serves to stabilize the temperature of the environment. The most important, that a lot of tree planting can also reduce the effect of global warming by absorbing carbon dioxide. Okay, the second reason why I choose this activity because we not only planting the trees, but we can also more the knowledge about importance of plant to living things. Third reason why I choose this activity because we can release our stress. The green color of the tree can give calm down our mind. I think that's all about my opinion.
Okay, that's my turn. I'm proud to organize a trip to national park. Many national parks of nature such as Semilajau, Buania, Gunung Kinabalu, or Taman Negara Bako Sarawak. We know the national park is to protect the plant from the dangerous. If we keep the park in a good hand, the next generation can feel the nature. You know, they have many can do national parks such as the jungle trekking, hiking, and have unique natural place. I have any information about the Taman Negara Bako and Kuching. The Taman Negara Bako as oldest nature in Kuching. Before we reach the Taman Bako, we need to the boat and take the time 10 until 15 minutes to reach the destination. The activity in Taman Bako, example trekking, jungle trekking, as far because distance 8 until 9 kilometer. When we trekking, we can see a lot of plant, especially that we almost extinct. Example at Sabah, bunga pakma, scientific name Rafflesia alnegi, the big flower.
Okay, for my part, I suggest that maybe we can have a camping trip to forest reserve. So, what you guys understand about forest reserve? It is a protection of natural areas under the legal system. We have different degrees of protection in our government. So, commonly, all activities like hunting, grazing are banned because the forest reserve is reserved for wood construction, then wildlife reserve, and some even got mineral products. So we should avoid non-environment friendly activities. But I think camping trip is a nice idea because we can learn more about our natural environment. We can observe lots of flora and fauna in the forest reserve, especially those almost extinct ones. And we must avoid activities like burning, chopping down trees, and hunting. There are some nice examples as what my friend mentioned before, like Buania, Gunung Bulu, or Semilajau National Park, even Kinabalu Park in Sabah. It's a nice destination for the camping trip. Okay, our government have set up an organization which is called FRAME. FRAME is a short form for Forest Research Institute Malaysia. It mainly doing research on tropical forests, and it's a good place for us to have jogging, cycling, and picnic. I think that's all from my part.
Okay. For my turn, my topic is organized recycling day. The recycling day is an important activity in the life to reduce his place, dirty area. To have recycled, we can live in a clean condition because the avoidance of waste are around. Clean living makes our life more comfortable and orderly. Cleanliness is very important in life, not only recycling. More activity we can do to clean up the environment, such as gotong royong, littering by category, and so on. And the benefit of the organized recycling day is we can create a clean environment, clean and healthy lifestyle, and away from disease, and the low cost because it can be put on goods that have been used. Okay, that's all my point.
Okay, so let's start discuss now about the activities and decide which one is the best activity. So first, I thought the tree planting is a good activity. So what's your opinion?
I think tree planting is good because the can strengthen relationship with family or friends. Then the plant can release oxygen and we as human and supply enough oxygen.
And I have to add something. Tree planting tree planting also can do anywhere such as around the house or at the school.
Yeah, I agree with you. And tree planting just need a low cost, and you just need to prepare the enough tools to plant the trees, and that's all. So, how about others' opinion?
Okay, about the cost in tree planting, maybe I get a sponsor from internal parties to the expenditure of fund for planting tree.
That's great. So, how about the recycling day?
Secondly,
I think recycling day is quite easy, but we just need first we need to prepare three different colors recycling bin, which is blue, brown, and orange.
Actually, can save money to buy something. Can recycling
Reuse.
recycling the bottle, newspaper. That's all.
okay, the activity recycling can do new something,
Something new.
something new, such as a bottle. This bottle, we can do a flower roses to decoration. So we didn't spend a lot money to buy new flower.
That's great.
Yes, we can also we can get poster about nature environment.
How about trip to the national park?
Okay. When we trekking, we can have knowledge about the plants such as know the scientific name. Example, bunga pakma. Scientific name is Rafflesia ornati. They are big flower.
This is the biggest in our world.
Yes. The flower is almost extinct.
The-
The flower, big flower.
Yeah, that's the purpose of setting up a national park because we want to conserve and preserve those very special plants and animals also.
How about the activity?
The activity is jungle trekking. When we go when we do jungle clicking, we need to pay.
Yeah.
We need to pay
We need to pay for the
activity.
Yeah.
So the national park is we must spend more money to do activity, some activity.
Yeah. And somehow, I feel that jungle trekking is also dangerous for students. So how about others?
How about the camping trip to forest?
I have a nice suggestion because we got the nearest forest reserve, which is the scl10 National Park, just kilometers away from our campus. So there's a good destination for us. Then we can even just walk on our barefoot. We don't need to have any transport because vehicles also release those harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, which is not good for our environment because it will cause greenhouse effect. Yeah.
Yes, I agree, but I didn't have anything to say.
Okay, how about the different national park and forest reserve?
For me, national park needs to pay more because they will prepare a nice destination and prepare the all facilities. So we need to pay more. But forest reserve, we don't need to pay that much, but we must avoid lots of activities because there's ban in the area.
What about the experience?
But the experience because I got once visit to the 1 year before and we need to pay the fees. It's about 20 ringgit. But they already built a wooden bridge and we do need to walk through very tough paths like jungle trekking.
Okay. For me, I think the different national park and camping trip to a forest is the national park. All people can join the trip national, no matter underage. But about the camping trip to forest is limited. People can join this trip. The young people is not suitable to join because it is so dangerous. There's some activities is very dangerous such as playing falls.
Yeah, I agree with you. And children are not suitable because it's too dangerous.
What is the base of the opinion?
Yeah. I feel that maybe recycling day.
Yeah, maybe recycling it because we need to do not we need to spend more money because we can recycling bottle, newspaper.
In our hostel, we got lots of empty bottles in our hostel that we do not wish to how to settle them.
So
So that's
Yeah, so because tree planting, we need to stay under the hot sun, and maybe the trip can be trip to forest or trip to national park is dangerous for some students. So I think the best activities for our nature week is the recycling day.
okay,
So thank you for joining us for today's discussion.
thank you.
Thank you everyone. Berapa minit? Ada apa minit lagi?
4 minit lagi. Jadi 16
semuanya ada 16 kali.
Kenapa nih? Putus.
Apa ada yang penting ada tuh? Tak mati lagi.
Yep.
Oh no.
Dia punya storage kan?
Thank you, Heidi.
Ah,
Minit terakam sini.
ada 4 minit lagi tinggal.